All right. Hello, guys. Welcome to Friday, the 8th Friday of May. Want to see what happened today with price action and a really quick one in and out. No spending much time over here. So, firstly, we start off the daily time frame. So this is the daily time frame. What did I see? We have been really bullish from I think at the start of this week, which was on Monday. We have been really bullish. This is the Tuesday's candle, Monday, Tuesday, all the way to today's Friday. What did I see at that moment in time during the New York time? What I'd seen is the market had already traded into this daily fair value gap, which was prior to the New York Open. So I think it was during the London session that we saw the market trade into this fair value gap, and then we started displacing. So having seen that we've traded into that fair value gap, I marked up the prior day high, whereby I wanted to see how price reacts onto that, which is also another specific key level of the 4-hour time frame. And taking you to the 4-hour time frame, at that moment in time, what did I see? The prior day high was actually this swing high over here that we'd seen the market trade into it. We had this nice rejection of that major key level. Then with the next candle, we traded lower, created an immediate rebalance over here. And this is why immediate rebalances are most of the time critical to me, where we see market failing to trade into this 4-hour fair value gap, but we trade into an immediate rebalance and we start displacing higher. Seeing her price had already distributed above this high, I drop onto the 1-hour time frame, try to find what the market was actually doing. Remember, I did trade after the 9:30, meaning this 9 a.m. candle had already closed. So what was I seeing at that moment in time? Price was nicely displacing. You can see we are still on displacing, but on the 15 minutes time frame, I had these fair value gaps over here, this 15 minutes fair value gap, which somehow to me it was a bug. I didn't really want to see the market drop into this level. We had the 30 minutes fair value gap paired also with a 15 minutes fair value gap, which we saw the market trade into it. So I was watching how price reacts within this fair value gap. So if we closed above this prior candle high that had already been swept, then to me I was more than likely to continue higher. So seeing this candle close above, right, you can see the prior candle high is a red level. I drop onto the 5 minutes time frame. That's where I was trying to catch my positions, and yeah, immediately we closed at that point. I think with this candle, that's where I had my trade, my stops below here. It was a 1 2 3, but I did break even earlier. I did break even, which is a thing that I think I should be avoiding. Break even, I think going on, I should I shouldn't be breaking even actually, because I was stopped out at break even immediately. Then you can see how the markets pulled onto my targets. Then because I'd been taken out, I was trying to find another position, right? And how did I analyze my second position is I rallied back to the 30 minutes time frame. What I was seeing is we had already traded into this 30 minutes fair value gap, which is also the 15 minutes fair value gap, which I've talked about. Seeing the market trade nicely, and since I was had already been stopped out at break even, seeing how the market had reacted into these 15 minutes key level, it was a 15 minutes fair value gap. I'd seen the market trade with this candle. It was an impulsive candle. I dropped onto the 15 minutes time frame, 5 minutes I mean, with that rejection above this 5 minutes fair value gap here. Immediately this candle closed. That's where I had my position there. The market spooled higher, we rallied lower, then finally we had this a 1 to 4 RR that was eventually captured with this move. So from the fair value gap, we pushed higher direct to the TP, the market respecting all these fair value gaps and everything lining up bullish, and that's how I did trade my day. So yeah, something I will be avoiding is trying to maybe break even earlier. Also for the second trade, avoiding break even, because if I'd break even earlier, then I would have been taken out at break even. So that was today, and really good price outlook, and something that maybe we can learn, and something that I think I benefited from. So that is it for this video. Till next time, guys, be safe. But before that, remember to like and subscribe to this channel. Till next time, be safe.